run down right. Handle me with friction, take me with conviction, make me your addiction right.
Knee! That's my knee! Damn it! All you feed me is puffins! I need nourishment! God damn
Look,
it!
man, I'm really sorry about
Fuck
this.
you, man! You suck!
He blinded me with science.
I'm gonna fuck that turtle.
Nope. Do you ever wonder what's the point in anything? Why even bother getting up? Every day is the same. Life is meaningless, and you're just passing the time until you grow old and die. Existence is a miserable, inescapable void, and the world is mocking you. There isn't a single reason to get out of bed in the morning. Try doing that! It's called Doing That, from the people who brought you Not Doing That. Get up, you lazy bum. Just do that.
Haha, all right.
Just propose already.
I hate that! I hate it when stuff jumps out at you!
What are you doing?
I don't know, I'm just trying to fucking summon something.
What on earth could you possibly be trying to summon?
I don't know, probably a demon or some sort of screaming ghost or something.
Why would you want that in our house?
I'm fucking bored, man.
Starring leads, Does Machines, Cool But Crude, A Party Dude, Mr. Miyuki, Whoopee Cushion, Fox News, Fruit Ninja, You've Made a Huge Mistake, and The Iron Throne.
Our love is rock steady, rock steady.
No one can face the bebop and the
Steady.
Donnie worked all night to save you. Leo never left your side.
That's what brothers are for. We gotta heal up, Raph.
Yay!
I'm the new leader. Hun.
Oh no, he's hot!
Who are you?
I got someone who loads you, bitch. Now stand up and ride. I only thought you out so I could beat your ass a second time. Roar like Chewbacca, the voice of Mufasa. I'm on the leader of your Olympic Mufasa. I strike back hard against a Nazi. Brain toss your ass in the air. Yahtzee. Ask Indiana Jones who the fuck I am. I spit sick shit so focused I break your concentration camp. I'm a certified Sith Lord, you runt, so suck on these.
These what, sir?
These robot nuts! I'm gonna enjoy watching you die, so let me do it with my food.
You look stressed, Vader.
I think we're tripping. Oh fuck! I'm having a bad trip! We're having a bad trip! I think we are tripping. Isn't this great? My side's so much scarier than yours. Oh shit, your trip sucks. You should come over here, it's way better. Okay. Some kind of weird split screen! Hello, football! Django! Django! I finally got my Lambo! Hey! Spin, look! Look!
Ass and titties. Ass, titties, titties. Big booty bitches that's wearing
Legs are tight.
ass and titties.